you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and select all so that you don't miss any new updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share a 100% natural hair pack recipe to cover your grey hair and to color your hair a natural brown. And I know many of you think if you use henna it will change your hair color to a burgundy or a red shade, but it doesn't do that. You have to use it properly, and I'm going to share my hair pack recipe and how I use henna to color my hair brown. Just watch this video completely and follow the same steps and you can also get the same result. For this hair pack you need to use fresh henna leaves and not henna powder, so make sure that you get fresh leaves. And next you will need tea decoction. Make sure that it is nice and concentrated. Don't use coffee decoction, you will need tea decoction. And now in a mixer add this henna leaves and then add a glass of tea decoction and then blend it into a very fine smooth paste. And this is how the paste must look. It must be very smooth and fine. Now you can store this in a plastic container, airtight plastic container, in fridge for a month. I usually store it for 2 months also. It won't get spoiled or anything. You can store it for a month, at least for a month. It won't get spoiled. Now I'm taking about 4 to 5 teaspoons of this henna paste. According to your hair length you can take. I usually apply it to my scalp and to my hair length. And next I'm going to add fresh yogurt or curd. If it's in a very thick consistency, add some more curd or tea decoction to make it into a runny consistency. And lastly I'm going to add amla powder. I didn't get fresh amlas. If you have fresh amlas you can add it in the mixer and grind it. Otherwise you can use amla powder also. This also helps to lift the hair color and makes your hair smooth and shiny and doesn't leave your hair dry or frizzy. Now mix all these ingredients together and then apply it to your scalp and to your hair. Also remember that if you add curd you cannot store it in fridge for like a month. So before using only you have to add curd. You shouldn't apply this when you oil your hair. Your hair must be dry and clean before applying. And you can see how much of grey hair I have. It's because of my genetics and I have premature graying of hair. So that's why, and I've been using this for a long time now and it helps me a lot. Some of my grey hairs are actually turning into black hair. Make sure that you apply it in section and all the areas are nicely covered. Don't forget to wear a gloves or use a brush. If you use your hands it will get stained and it will be there for a week. I don't mind my hands getting stained and I'm very comfortable in using my hands to apply this hair pack, so that's why I'm using my hands. But definitely it will stain, so make sure that you use a gloves or a brush. After applying, leave it for 2 to 3 hours and wash it off with normal shampoo. And make sure that you cover it with a shower cap or a polythene cover like this. This step helps to lock in the moisture, which makes your hair more soft and shiny, and it also helps the color to get more intense because of the heat produced inside. And after washing it off, this is how my hair looks like. As you can see, it's very soft and shiny. I didn't use any conditioner or serum. I just used a normal shampoo and it's very soft and very manageable. Do try this and let me know how it works for you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can also watch my other videos given on the screen. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.